Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about how to write a resume if you have no job experience. Our resume is the most important piece of paper in any interview process. It is a single piece of paper that tells recruiter what we have done in our career. And if our work, our skill set matches with the requirement of recruiter, then the battle is half won. So in this video we'll focus on two different sections of resume and what to write in those sections so that the odds in our favor and it increases our chances of getting selected in that company. There are 5 sections in any resume. The first section is contact details. The second section is SOP or objectives, and it should be customized on the basis of job role that we are applying for. The third section is work experience. The fourth section is education, and fifth section is skill set. Alright, so now let us focus on the two important sections. The first section that has the most impact on any job that we are applying for is work experience. Work experience says a lot about our skill set. But wait, what if we are just out of college? Then what to do? Then we have internship. But wait, what if we have an interview in just few weeks and we don't have any internship to show for? Then what to do? Then there are a lot of websites that offer just few weeks of internship and you can get certified in it. We'll discuss about that in just few minutes. But the point is to do internship, because internships tells the recruiter that we have practical knowledge about the industry, which is important for recruiters, and it helps to have an internship in the same field that the job we are applying for. For example, if you're applying for a market research job, then having an internship in market research will tell the recruiter that we already possess some knowledge about the industry and they won't have to teach us from scratch. But the question is how to get that internship. There are a lot of websites that offer internship. The first website is Internshala. It has 3.5 million students registered on it and who apply for more than 80,000 companies listed on its platform. So there are a lot of companies and a lot of jobs that you can apply for. Most of these internships are paid, so you can earn while you learn a new skill. But what if you don't have months of time for internship? Then what to do? Then there is a website called Awign. I personally use this website for getting my internship. For example, my internship was just for 3 weeks. Once you apply on it, they just have a quick interview on phone call and you can even work from home. But what if you want to convert your internship into a full-time job? Then there is a website called LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social media website for professionals and it has a section called LinkedIn Jobs where a lot of recruiters post their requirements. But landing an internship from LinkedIn is slightly difficult because a lot of candidates apply for it. So there is a less chance of us getting selected even if we deserve the internship, because there's a middleman like Awign or Internshala to manage the application. So it's a lot difficult to get the attention of recruiter. But if you're able to land internship from LinkedIn, then there is a higher chance of getting it converted into full-time job if you perform well in your internship. But first, how to attract the attention of recruiter? There are certain tricks to attract the attention of recruiter. Say for example, recruiter has posted the requirement for a market research internship. Then first you apply for the internship from LinkedIn Jobs. Then you find out the head of department or any senior level employee in market research from that company. You message her, show her how you have helped your company in the previous internship that you did. Tell her what skills you possess and how you can help the company as a market research intern. If she gets impressed, then she'll personally recommend you to the HR to give you a shot at interview. I'll share the video on how to crack the interview in the later part of this video. But wait, what if the internship requires you to have a certain skill set? For example, if you are interested in internship in data analytics, but the recruiter requires an intern to have skills in SQL, in Excel, in Python, then what to do? Or what if this is your first internship? Then how do you demonstrate your skill set? For that, we come to the second section of this resume, that is skills. And the best way to show your skills is through certifications. Certifications gives you the basic knowledge about any industry. And even for those candidates whose college curriculum does not spare enough time to spend on internship, having a certification in it helps. Sometimes there are recruiters who reject the candidate just because they don't have a particular skill set that is required for the job. So let's acquire that skill set from certifications for free in any domain of your choice. The first website that offers certification in any domain of your choice, be it marketing, be it operations, be it finance, is LinkedIn Learning. You can get certified in any course you want and it is taught by professionals around the world. Although LinkedIn Learning has a subscription charge, but there's 30-day free trial period. So if you complete the course, you can get certified in it for free if you cancel your subscription before the trial period ends. The second website is Google. Google offers 3 major certifications in digital marketing. As you know, digital marketing is not an option but a necessity for businesses nowadays. Often companies expect an MBA graduate to have at least basic knowledge about digital marketing, especially if you're targeting a tech-savvy company that is heavily dependent on technology and often connects with their customers online. So what are the certifications offered by Google for free in digital marketing? The first certification is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google Digital Unlocked. It's a beginner course on digital marketing that covers topics like SEO, SEM, online advertisement, how to sell your products online, digital advertising, everything. It tells you importance of digital marketing and how much impact it has on the revenue that the company generates. The second certification is in Google Analytics. Google Analytics help us to track the campaign that we run to attract customers. It tells us how much ROI are we generating on the money that we have invested. So for example, if you're a business and you run an advertisement on YouTube, then Google Analytics will tell you on which channel is this advertisement displayed, how many people have watched this advertisement, how many have clicked and visited your website, so that you can identify your target audience who are interested in your product and are willing to pay for it. The next certification is in Google Ads. Now that you have identified your target audience, it's time to connect with them on their favorite channel, and that's where Google Ads come in. Google Ads will tell you how to put up an advertisement so that your target audience will see you and your business. Say for example, if I search a term ice creams in Mumbai in Google, and if you sell ice creams, then Google Ads will tell you what keyword you should target so that whenever I search ice creams in Mumbai, your advertisements comes in. There are multiple courses offered by Google Ads on video, search and display advertisements. You can check that out in the link given in description below. The next set of certification are from the professionals from IITs and IIMs. Often these are the people who have written the book that our professor teach in our college. You can learn from them for free on the website called Swayam or NPTEL. There are a lot of courses in different domains. You can complete the course, but to get certified, you have to write an exam on their centers and you have to pay rupees 2000 rupees to get certified. So although the course is free, but the certification is paid. There are a lot of other websites that offer paid certification with free trial period. I'll link them in the description below. Do check that out. So now that we have the two most important sections covered, it's time to prepare for interview. Click on the I button to know how you can crack the interview of the most reputed IT company in India, that is TCS, just like I did. Thank you for watching this video. This is ThatOne Teacher. If you are interested in learning the in-depth analysis of businesses in India, then do check out my channel and subscribe. Thank you.